We're vlogging. Sick. Last week in our house. We're gonna miss it.
I'm just waiting for a meeting. We're gonna be hanging with our BFF, Pojo Jojo.
Okay, it is Monday morning. I'm here in Agora Hills, about to shoot on the Rich Roll podcast. This is one of my jobs. Rich is a longtime friend. I love shooting the show. We have amazing guests. Another episode in the books. Trying to beat the traffic home.
I'm just pulling up to Mud Pearl. I'm doing a pull for a shoot that we're doing. So I'm gonna go in, see what they have, and I'm gonna take you with me.
These are orders, unfortunately.
No, it's totally fine. They're so pretty. Hey, we secured the bag. I moved here from New York and I always think it's so crazy. I don't know if you can see this. When there's a yellow cab in LA, whose man's? Of beautiful goods. Did you secure the alkaline?
Secure the alkaline.
How was it in there today?
Oh, it was the best.
Okay, I'm obsessed with this one. This one's called the kitchen sink because it's literally everything in the kitchen sink. We are shooting Old Swim and styling it up with some Mud Pearl.
And Trinity's the best.
We love Trinity.
Are you vlogging?
It's vlog versus vlog over here.
It's like spy versus spy.
It's spy versus spy. We're about to see a really beautiful sunset.
Out for a little hike. 75 degrees. It's so green here because of all the rain. Oh yeah.
We are at the studio. I am with icon Macy.
Amy's vlogging.
I'm so excited. So what we're gonna do today is one of my favorite things at the studio. We're gonna do a kind of creative session because Macy is writing a future bestseller on the guide of how to thrift. Yes, thrift queen #1.
Kind of thing.
Totally.
But then for maybe the trash but make it fashion, I could do something like this.
It's a big week. On Friday or Saturday, we're moving right around there somewhere. All right, we did it. Oh yeah.
We just moved the rug into the car and I estimate that it weighs 3,000 pounds, but we did it. I cannot wait to see it in the new place.
We move in tomorrow.
Excited. Very
So
excited.
excited.
It's gonna be really nice. Okay, here's Davy in her U-Haul. I don't know if I can get in, but look how cute he is. Yay, moving day. Yeah, Davy.
Okay, so we officially got the keys to our new home studio. Big day. What?